Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. In this video, we will learn about how can we convert our numerics into different currencies, and at the end I will also disclose the shortcut key to convert the numeric into different currencies as well. So stay tuned and watch till the end. So I have two columns, column 1, column 2 that has different numerics. So if I want to convert them in any currency, so I will select those cells, those columns, and within the Home tab, there is a number section. And within that, you can see accounting number format. If I click the node on the side, it's showing me some most most used currencies, which is sterling, dollars, euros, Chinese currencies. But if we want to see some other currencies, I will go to more accounting formats and it will open another window. You select the currency on the left hand side, and from the symbol, you can see all the currency which are used by the different part of the world, different countries. So it has lots of option. Whatever you want to choose, you can choose. For example, I select this English United States dollar. Click this one. It will also show you the preview as well, how it's gonna be appear at the start. Press OK. Now it's showing me all the numbers have been converted into United States dollar. Control Z to go back. And now what's the shortcut key? The shortcut key to convert the numeric into currencies. So I will select those cells and then shortcut key is Alt H A N, and you can scroll, you can go by using the down arrow if you want to choose United States, or if you want to use euros, down, go down and enter. So it will convert the currencies into euro. So Control Z to go back. If you want to go to the to see the different range of currencies, the shortcut key is Alt H A N M. So that same window will appear. Then you can go to currency. You can go to the different options here. You can select any option, press OK, and it will convert the numeric into that selected currency. So this is how you can easily convert your numeric into different currencies you want. Hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel.